My name is Tanner Nichols. I'm a Hewsaw operator for Vaagen Brothers Lumber. So a Hewsaw operator, your main priority is to bring logs in and cut them through the Hewsaw. It's all a one pass system, no rerunning the log back and forth to cut it. So a Hewsaw, we like to refer to it as the heart of the mill. So it's got 4 chipping heads, 2 sets of saws. As far as education, I would say just a high school diploma would easily get you on with the team here. It takes about 2 months working side by side with a veteran operator to learn the basics and understanding how to run the machine. I enjoy being a Hewsaw operator for the sheer fact I get a nice cozy cab, but it is a challenge and it tests you every day. As operators, you have multiple cameras and we're just basically looking for anything like a wreck, a plug up, a double up. As far as the Hewsaw side of feeding the saw, it goes directly in single file to make that single pass cut. As far as the Vaagen Brothers lumber mill here, you'll be continually learning. We'll be there every step of the way to get that knowledge to you the best way that we can.
Learn more about careers and career paths at careerexplorenw.org.